Hello, my dear students. My name is Lakshmi Narayana. This is Ellen brand of chemistry. Today we are going to discuss about inductive effect. So before going to inductive effect, first what we have to discuss. Sir, here this topic is completely belongs to general organic chemistry, GOC. GOC ante general organic chemistry. General organic chemistry. జనరల్ ఆర్గానిక్ కెమిస్ట్రీలో మనం మెయిన్గా నేర్చుకునేది ఏంటి అంటే హౌ డస్ రియాక్షన్ టేక్స్ ప్లేస్, నథింగ్ బట్ రియాక్షన్ మెకానిజం యూ హ్యావ్ టు లర్న్. సో రియాక్షన్ మెకానిజం అర్థం అవ్వాలి అంటే రియాక్షన్ మెకానిజం టు అండర్స్టాండ్ ద రియాక్షన్ మెకానిజం, to understand reaction mechanism, you must be know three concepts. Must be know three concepts. What are those? Number one, electron migration effects. Electron migration effects. So number two, cleavage of covalent bond. Cleavage of covalent bonds. Number three, nature of attacking agent. Nature of attacking agents. So these three concepts must be known, then only it will be understand what is the reaction mechanism. Clear, my dear students? So first we have to discuss about in this topic electron migration effects. So shall we move towards the electron migration effects? Right. So in the general organic chemistry, electron migration effects are very, very important. This is depends upon electron migration effects are depends upon many factors. So now we have to discuss about the electron migration effects. Electron migration effects. So in the electron migration effects, what are the effects are there? So ఏమేం effects ఉన్నాయి electron migration effects లో? So number one, inductive effect. So number two, electromeric effect. Number three, resonance effect. Resonance effect is also called as mesomeric effect also. Next, fourth one, hyperconjugation. These four are electron migration effects. In that one by one we have to discuss in the today topic we are going to discuss about inductive effect completely, how it is affects on the another factors, that also we have to discuss in it. So first one we are going to discuss inductive effect. What is the inductive effect? Sir, first of all, note the statement. What is the inductive effect? The electron displacement of sigma bonded electrons. Displacement of sigma bonded electrons. towards towards more electronegative atom side, more electronegative atom side, that is called inductive effect. సార్ ఇండక్టివ్ ఎఫెక్ట్ అంటే ఏం చెప్తా ఉన్నాం సార్? ఎలక్ట్రాన్ డిస్ప్లేస్మెంట్ ఎఫెక్ట్. ఏ ఎలక్ట్రాన్స్ డిస్ప్లేస్ అవుతా ఉన్నాయి? సిగ్మా బాండెడ్ ఎలక్ట్రాన్స్ ఆర్ డిస్ప్లేస్డ్ టువర్డ్స్ ద మోర్ ఎలక్ట్రోనెగేటివ్ atom side. That is called inductive effect. Sir, for example, in case if you take C bond C, one of the carbon chain is there. For this carbon chain, one of the atom is attached. Just assume it is one of the atom. X ane oka atom attach cheyindam. Sir, in case if it is more electronegative than that of carbon, more electronegative than carbon atom kante kuda more electronegative ayindi anukunnam. Sir, this effect, the sigma bonded electrons are shifted towards that particular atom side. Ee atom side shift avuta untayi. Electron displacement anedi sir more electronegative atom side shift avutundi. That's what inductive effect. So look at one more point. In case carbon atoms are attached like this, then here one more atom Y, just assume it Y an atom attached. So ఇది less electronegative than carbon atom. ఇదేమో more electronegative than carbon, ఇదేమో less electronegative than that of carbon. So now sigma bonded electrons are shifted towards the carbon atom side. So here, when case more electronegative atoms are there, that of carbon atom, then electrons are shifted towards the more electronegative atom side. In case less electronegative atom is there, electrons are shifted away from that particular electronegative atom side. అంటే కార్బన్ సైడ్ ఎలక్ట్రాన్స్ షిఫ్ట్ అవుతా ఉన్నాయి. సరే, ఎక్కడైతే ఎలక్ట్రాన్స్ తన వైపుకు లాక్కుంటూ ఉంటుందో, సరే ఎలక్ట్రాన్స్ ఎక్కడైతే పర్టికులర్ యాటమ్ సైడ్ మూవ్ అవుతుందో, డిస్ప్లేస్ అవుతుందో, దీన్ని మనం ఎలక్ట్రాన్ విత్ డ్రాయింగ్ గ్రూప్స్ అంటాం. సరే, వీటిని మనం ఎలక్ట్రాన్ డొనేటింగ్ గ్రూప్స్ అంటాం. దీన్నేమో ఎలక్ట్రాన్ విత్ డ్రాయింగ్ గ్రూప్ అన్నాం, దీన్నేమో ఎలక్ట్రాన్ డొనేటింగ్ గ్రూప్. Remember, my dear students, this effect will be effect on up to the third carbon atom. Sir, up to third carbon atom వరకు దీని ఎఫెక్ట్ ఉంటుంది, అంటే డిస్టెన్స్ మీద డిపెండ్ అయి ఉంటుంది. సర్, ఇక్కడ partially positive charge will be appear, here partially negative charge will be appear. Then this partially positive charge up to the third carbon atom it will be effect. ఇక్కడ కూడా అంతే. సో దాని ఇక్కడ partially negative charge వచ్చేస్తుంది. సర్, ఇక్కడ partially positive charge వస్తుంది, partially negative charge, then partially negative charge, like this will be. So remember, my dear students, sir, in this effect partial charges will develop. Partial charges develop అవుతాయి. Partial positive charge, then partial negative charge will be developed. Next, one more you have to remember, this effect will be present up to third carbon atom. Up to the third carbon atom, this effect will be present. All these points we have to remember. Just note it, all of you. Just note. Yes. So up to the third carbon atom it is present means, sir, if you go for the more distance, that effect will be decreases. So you have to note even that also. Inductive effect decreases with distance. distance. Inductive effect decreases with the distance. Okay, clear, my dear students? Yes. So now we have to discuss one of the question based on it. I told that electron withdrawing groups are present, electron donating groups are attached to this. Electron withdrawing groups attach అయినప్పుడేమో నెగటివ్ ఇండక్టివ్ ఎఫెక్ట్ రిప్రజెంట్ చేస్తూ ఉంది, డొనేటింగ్ గ్రూప్ పాజిటివ్ ఇండక్టివ్ ఎఫెక్ట్ రిప్రజెంట్ చేస్తూ ఉంది. పాజిటివ్ పార్షియల్ పాజిటివ్ చార్జ్ అండ్ పార్షియల్లీ నెగటివ్ చార్జెస్ ఆర్ ప్రొడ్యూస్డ్. Remember, my dear students, inductive effect is a permanent effect, not temporary effect. Inductive effect is permanent effect. Sir, one of the question we'll see, sir, which of the following is more stable? They're asking question. Which of the following is more stable? Sir, they are given options like this: FCH2COO minus, then ClCH2COO minus, then BrCH2COO minus, then DiCH2COO minus, like this will be there. These are the anions. So anions stability, remember, anion stability increases when minus I effective group increases. So ikkada fluorine also is there, chlorine also is there, bromine also is there, iodine also is there. Sir, ikkada one more point you have to remember, this negative charge where distribution greater. Negative charge distribution. Sir, where the negative charge distribution? More negative charge distribution, more stable. Remember, my dear students, more stable. అంటే సార్ ఏదైతే ఎలక్ట్రాన్స్ తన వైపుకు లాక్కుంటుందో ఎక్కువగా, సార్ డిస్ట్రిబ్యూషన్ ఎక్కువ చేస్తుందో, దెన్ వీ కాల్ ఇట్ ఇస్ ఎ మోర్ స్టేబుల్. సార్ ఇందులో ఏది ఎక్కువగా చేస్తుంది? సార్ వాట్ ఈస్ ద మైనస్ ఎఫెక్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆర్డర్? సో దట్ ఈస్ ఫ్లోరిన్ ఈస్ ద మోస్ట్ ఎలక్ట్రోనెగటివ్, దెన్ దట్ ఆఫ్ క్లోరిన్, then that of bromine, then that of iodine. So my dear students, so fluorine can distribute the electron charge towards that atom side, so that where the minus effective groups are more, this is minus effective, of course all are minus effective groups, so more effective for fluorine atom. So where more effectiveness is there, their stability also increases. Anion stability increases when minus effect also increases. Clear, my dear students? So you must know what is the order of minus effective groups. So note that order of minus effective groups we will see. So order of minus I effect. Order of minus I effective groups. So we'll see. Note. Sir, first one is NF3 plus. This is the most effective. Then next after NR3, any alkyl group, so plus. Then next after NH3 plus. Then next after NO2 group. Then next after cyanide group. Are you looking, my dear students? So cyanide group. Then next after, so you have to take aldehyde group, C double bond OH. Then next after C double bond O R, ketonic group. This is aldehyde. Then this is ketone. Then next after carboxylic acid, COOH group. Next after COCl, acid halide. Next after COOR ester group. So next after CONH2 amide group. So next after you have to take fluorine, then chlorine, then bromine, then iodine. Then next after you have to take OR. Then next after OH. Then next after C CH C triple bond CH. Then next after amines. Sorry. Then next after phenyl pH. Then next after bond CH double bond CH2. Then next after hydrogen. So this is the order of minus A effective groups. So you have to remember, my dear students, all these points you have to note it. All these molecules you have to note it. How this will be effective, which is more effective, which is less effective. You must be know based on this order. Right, written. Yes. Next we have to look at. So next question, we'll see based on this. So next one of the question, which is more stable, we'll see. Which is more stable? Same such type of question only. The previous what we are discussed based on the inductive effect. Second question, which is more stable? Which is more stable? So they are given options like this. One is CH2 COO minus NO2 group is there. Then B, CH2 double bond CH bond COO minus is there. Then next, sir, one more, that is fluorine CH2 COO minus is there. So look at, my dear students. So write the order of stability of this following compounds. So how can you say the stability of that following compounds based on the negative inductive effect groups? Effective. Sir, NO2 group is there, then CH2 C double bond O group is there, then fluorine is there. Which is the most effective in it? We know that already we are seeing NO2 is the most effective. Then after fluorine is there. Then after CH double bond CH2 is there. Clear, my dear students? So which is the most effective in it? Sir, NO2. A is the most effective. So more stable. Then after fluorine, C is the most effective. Then next, B is the most effective. Clear? This is the order of that particular compound. Okay, right? Yes. So next, sir, one more, that is third question. Look at, which of the following is more acidic? More acidic, they're asking question. Which of the following is more acidic? This is the different question when compared to this. Sir, which is more acidic, they're asking. So look at, they are given options like this. Sir, option A, then CH3 COOH. Then option B, CH2 F COOH. Then option C, CH2 Cl COOH. Then option D, then I CH2 COOH. Like this will be there. Which is more acidic? They're asking question. Sir, how can you define which is more acidic? So remember, my dear students, any weak acid like this. For example, HA, assume it is a weak acid. Weak acid, when it is dissociate into H plus A minus, ila dissociate అయినప్పుడు. So now we call it as a conjugate base అంటాం. Sir, in case if it is stable, ఇది స్టేబుల్ అయితే, కాంజుగేట్ బేస్ స్టేబుల్ అయితే, then this is acidic, this is more acidic. Sir, more ఏది అంత స్టేబుల్ అవుతే అదంతా more acidic అవుతుంది. Sir, ఎలా? Sir, we know that in case dissociation increases. Sir, here stability increases, backward reaction does not take place. అంటే ఇది స్టేబుల్గా ఉంటే H ప్లస్ అయాన్తో కంబైండ్ అవ్వడం తగ్గిపోతుంది. So that it is more acidic. We can say. So that, sir, ఇది స్టేబుల్ అంటే anion స్టేబుల్ అని ఎలా చెప్తాం? Sir, anion stability, before itself I told anion stability increased by minus I effective groups. Remember, my dear student, minus effective groups. So here, where the minus I effective group is there, sir, fluorine is there, then chlorine is there, then iodine also is there. So which is the most effective? Of course, B is the most effective. So B is more, what we can say, this more acid. How can you say? Sir, after the removal of this, here minus charge, here positive charge, like this will come. So that it is anion stable by minus I effective group. So even here also minus plus. So even here also minus plus. Then anion will be stable by, sir, minus I effective groups. So minus I effective groups, here more effective is minus fluorine. So B is the more. Next after C, then after D, then after, sir, A. Why A is the least acidic? Because there is no any electron withdrawing group. Nothing but minus effective groups are not there. Understand, my dear students? Yes, please note it. Yes, next. So look at which is more acidic. Next question. Yes, which is more acidic? They're asking question. Which is the more acidic? Sir, option A, they are given CH3COOH. Then option B, they are given CH2ClCOOH. Then option C, they are given CHCl2COOH. Then option D, they are given CCl3, then COOH. So look at, my dear students. Sir, what is there? Sir, all are almost acidic acid will be there, but substituted by chlorine atoms there. Where number of minus I effective groups are increases. Number of minus effective groups increases. Then acidity also increases. So that then D is more acidic than that of C, than that of B, than that of A. Okay, right? So the same type of question. So next question, look at. Then this is third one, the fourth one. So now this is fourth one, this is fifth one. So look at, sir, which is more acidic? more acidic? They're asking question. Which is the more acidic? So look at, they are given A option, that is CH3COOH. Then B, ClCH2COOH. Then C, ClCH2, then CH2, then COOH, like this. Look at, my dear students, which is the more acidic in it? Sir, here there is no minus effective groups, but here minus effective groups are there. Both are chlorine atom, both are having only one atom, right? But the distance is there, distance is there. So I told that when distance increases, effect decreases. So ikkada distance increase అయిపోయింది, then 1 2, then here first carbon first carbon only it is attached. So that's what B molecule is more acidic than that of C. So next we have to take, it is A. A is the more acidic, my dear students. Yes. So like this we have to note it. Note it, all of you. So this will be the minus effective group. Then plus I effective group, how it will be increases. Plus I effective group ela untundi. Sir, what are the order of plus I effective groups that we have to see? Order of plus I effective groups. Order of plus I effective groups. So minus effective groups acidity ni increase cheste, plus I effective groups opposite acidity ni decrease chestayi. So these are plus I effective groups. Plus I effective groups. Plus I effective groups. So these are the groups, plus I effective groups. One more, so tertiary alkyl group, that is CH3, CH3, then CH3. So generally we are taking this in the NCERT textbook. Even we have to consider even this also. Then CH3, then CH3, then after CH2 bond CH3, then after methyl group. These are the plus I effective groups. So plus I effective groups, what will do? Sir, plus I effective groups, plus I effective groups increases basic character, basic nature, but decreases acidic nature. Acidic nature ni decrease chestayi, basic nature ni increase chestayi. Sir, ivi plus effective groups. Minus effective group opposite. Minus effective group acidic nature ni increase chestayi, then basic nature ni decrease chestayi. Yes, please note it, then we'll see some of the questions based on it. Right. So next, based on this, we have to see one of the question, which is more acidic alcohol. Which is more acidic alcohol? They're asking question. Which is more acidic alcohol? Sir, option A, they are given CH3 bond C bond CH3, then CH3OH. Then option B, CH3 bond CH bond CH3, then OH. Option C, CH3 bond CH2 bond OH. Then option D, CH3OH. Tell me, my dear students, which is more acidic in it? So they're asking not basic, acidic character, which is the more acidic in it, they're asking question. So you have to note it that. So నేనేం చెప్పాను, ప్లస్ ఐ ఎఫెక్ట్ గ్రూపు, ప్లస్ ఐ ఎఫెక్ట్ గ్రూప్ డిక్రీజెస్ అసిడిక్ నేచర్ని డిక్రీజ్ చేస్తారు. సో దట్ ఇక్కడ ప్లస్ ఐ ఎఫెక్టివ్ గ్రూప్స్ అంటే ఆల్కైల్, టెర్షియరీ ఆల్కైల్ గ్రూప్ ఇస్ ద మోర్ ఎఫెక్టివ్. వి నో దట్ నౌ ఓన్లీ వి ఆర్ సీన్ ఇన్ ద ఆర్డర్. సో దిస్ ఈస్ ద లీస్ట్ అసిడిక్, less acidic. Then which is more acidic? Of course this is more acidic. More acidic, my dear students. Okay, so next one more question we'll see based on it. Then in case CH3 bond CH bond CH3, then COOH will be there. Then CH3 bond COH will be there. So this is B, this is A, then this is C. One more, HCOOH will be there. Sir, this is, if you observe in this carboxylic acid salar, sir, which is the more acidic? Which is the more acidic? You have to tell. In case in this itself, Cl, CH2, COOH if you take. Tell me which is the more acidic? Of course, C is the more acidic because negative effective groups are there. C is the more because minus I effective group unda leda? Yes. Then ikkada plus I effective group is there. Even here plus I effective group is there. Which is the most plus I effective group? This is. So where most plus I effective group is there, this is the least acidic. So which is A is the least acidic. Then after what will be there? Sir, B. So this is the order for the acidic nature of alcohols. So how plus I effective groups are increases, how minus effective groups are increases, we are seen. Still number of questions we have to see. So note it. Yes, right. Yes, look at my dear students. Sir, in case HCOOH is there, then CH3COOH is there. HCOOH, CH3COOH is there. Which is more acidic? Tell me. Sir, of course, H, it is minus effective group. It's the least minus effective group. Then CH3 plus effective group. Plus effective group decreases the acidity, minus effective group increases the acidity. So that formic acid is more. This is the formic acid we call formic acid. This is acetic acid. Acetic acid. So formic acid is more acidic than that of acetic acid. That you have to know, my dear students. Clear? Yes. So next question, look at next question, that is CH3COOH, CH3COOH, then B, Cl bond CH2COOH, then C, COH bond CH2 bond COOH. Observe it carefully. So in the order we are seeing, this is minus effective group. So don't confuse, my dear students. Here lone pair of electrons are there. Of course it is electron donating group. No, it is act as a minus effective group only. So even here minus effective group. So in the order we are seeing, Cl minus Cl is the more effective, then after OH. This is the minus effective order, right? So which is the more acidic in it? ఏది more acidic అవుతుంది? So ఏది more acidic? So Cl is more effective, so B is more acidic. Then after C is more acidic, then after A is more acidic. So this is the order of acidic nature of particular acids. So next one, next question. So they are given sorry, A HCOOH, then B CH3COOH, CH3COOH, then C Cl bond CH2 bond COOH. Right. Sir, which is the more acidic? They're asking question. Which is the more acidic? So tell me in these three, which is the more acidic? Sir, Cl minus is there, is the minus effective. H is there, is the minus effective. Which is the more effective? Of course, Cl minus we are seeing. Cl is a more effective. Then after H is a more effective. Clear? So, manaku C is the more acidic. Then after, sir, A is the more acidic. Then after B is the more acidic. Understand, my dear students? Sir, here one of the point you have to know, sir, the strength of acidic nature exactly we cannot say. Sir, strength of acidic nature, all these we are discussed based on the approximation. But exact strength of acidic acid is described by Ka value or pKa value. So Ka value mida gaani, pKa value mida gaani, so depend ayi what is the Ka value and pKa value. For example, so one of the acid is there. Just assume it Ha, it is one of the acid. It can be dissociated into H minus plus A plus. Sorry, H plus minus A plus. A minus plus H plus. అంటే ఏదైతే H plus ions రిలీజ్ చేస్తుందో then we call it as acid. సో ఇది యాసిడ్. ఇప్పుడు దీనికి dissociation constant ఎలా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తాం? సో లుక్ ఎట్ Ka, it is equals to A minus concentration divided by H plus ion concentration into H plus ion concentration divided by Ha concentration. We are taking this. దీన్ని బేస్ చేసుకుని Ka వాల్యూ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తాం. సరే Ka వాల్యూని ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసుకుని Ka వాల్యూ increases, Ka value increases, Ka value is more, then acidity also increases. Acidity increases. More Ka value, more is the acidic. More Ka value, more acidic. More Ka value, more is acidic. సో దీని నుంచే pKa వాల్యూని కూడా మెన్షన్ చేస్తాం. pKa వాల్యూ, pKa హౌ కెన్ యూ ఫైండ్ అవుట్? సార్ pKa it is equals to minus log Ka లైక్ దిస్. దీన్ని బేస్ చేసుకుని pKa వాల్యూని మిస్ చేసేసి, సార్ ఇక్కడ pKa వాల్యూ lower the pKa value, more acidic, lower the pKa value is a more acidic. So now some of the acids I will tell for the pKa values. pKa of, in case HCl, if you take, we know that HCl is a strong acid, right? So దీని value -7 ఉంటుంది pKa value. Sir atle pKa value of sir in case if you take fluoroacetic acid FCH2 COOH kanaka తీసుకుంటే this value 0.23 will be there according to NCERT textbook. So then in case if you take benzoic acid, that is COOH, benzoic acid 4.19 pKa value. So ఇవన్నీ కూడా pKa values of, sir, pKa values of, then pKa values of acetic acid in case if you take CH3 COOH, then that is 4.23 అలా ఉంటుంది. సో పీకేఏ వాల్యూ ఇంక్రీజ్ అవుతా ఉంటే అసిడిక్ నేచర్ డిక్రీజ్ అవుతా ఉంటుంది. అసిడిక్ నేచర్ డిక్రీజెస్. అసిడిక్ నేచర్ డిక్రీజెస్. సార్ పీకేఏ వాల్యూ దేనికైతే తక్కువ ఉందో, ఇది -7, ద మోస్ట్ అసిడిక్. సో రిమెంబర్ మైనర్ స్టూడెంట్స్, మనం ఎక్కడి నుంచి ఎక్కడి వరకు పీకేఏ వాల్యూస్ని స్ట్రాంగ్ యాసిడ్స్ అని అంటాం, స్ట్రాంగ్ బేసిస్ అని అంటాం, దెన్ వీక్ అసిడిక్ ఆర్ మోడరేట్ అసిడిక్ అని అంటామంటే, సో రిమెంబర్ మై డియర్ స్టూడెంట్స్, దట్ ఈస్ పీకేఏ వాల్యూ లెస్ దాన్ 1 ఉంటే దట్ ఆర్ స్ట్రాంగ్ యాసిడ్స్. వీటిని మనం స్ట్రాంగ్ యాసిడ్స్ అంటాం. స్ట్రాంగ్ యాసిడ్స్ అంటాం. సార్ పీకేఏ వాల్యూ ఇన్ కేస్ సార్ ఇన్ బిట్వీన్ 1 to 5 ఉంటే మోడరేట్ యాసిడ్స్ అంటాం. మోడరేట్ యాసిడ్స్. దెన్ పీకేఏ వాల్యూ సార్ ఇన్ బిట్వీన్ 5 to 15 ఉంటే సార్ వీక్ యాసిడ్స్ అంటాం. వీక్ యాసిడ్స్ అంటాం. రిమెంబర్ మై డియర్ స్టూడెంట్స్. దెన్ పీకేఏ వాల్యూ గ్రేటర్ దాన్ 15 ఉంటే, గ్రేటర్ దాన్ 15 కంటే ఎక్కువ ఉంటాయి. ఇక్కడేమో లెస్ దాన్ 1 ఉంటే స్ట్రాంగ్ యాసిడ్స్, గ్రేటర్ దాన్ 15 ఉంటే ఎక్స్ట్రీమ్లీ వీక్ యాసిడ్స్. ఎక్స్ట్రీమ్లీ వీక్ యాసిడ్స్. వీక్ యాసిడ్స్. ఓకే. So we can say exact acidic nature and acidic values, it depends upon the pKa or Ka values. So based on that, for all compounds, one of the order is given. That is, I will give, just note it all of you, whatever the information is. So order of acidic nature of following compounds. Order of acidic nature of following compounds. Inductive effect we are discussing. Inductive effect acidic nature ni basic nature ni ela effect chesta undo, so in the form of questions we are discussing, right? So look at order of acidic nature of carboxylic acids. Not carboxylic acids, even other compounds also. Order of acidic nature, just order of acidic nature you have to remember. Sir, first we are taking benzene sulfonic acid is a more acidic. SO3H is a more acidic. Then after formic acid is a more acidic. Then after benzoic acid is more acidic. Then after normal carboxylic acids are more acidic. Then after H2CO3 carbonic acid is more acidic. అది ఆర్గానిక్ కిందకి వస్తుంది కాబట్టి. నెక్స్ట్ సార్ ఫినాల్స్ ఆర్ మోర్ అసిడిక్. ఆఫ్టర్ దట్ OH, ఫినాల్స్ ఆర్ మోర్ అసిడిక్. దెన్ ఆఫ్టర్ ఆల్కహాల్స్, వాటర్ ఈజ్ మోర్ అసిడిక్, H2O. దెన్ ఆఫ్టర్ ఆల్కహాల్స్ R bond OH is more acidic. Then after acetylene, CH triple bond CH is more acidic. Then after ammonia is more acidic. Then after CH 2 double bond CH. Then alkane, CH3 bond CH3 is the acidic. Just note it all of you. This is the order of acidic nature of all the carboxyl, all the groups, all the compounds in the organic chemistry. So first benzene sulfonic acid, then after formic acid, then after benzoic acid, then after normal carboxylic acids are nothing but alkyl group here. Then carbonic acid H2CO3, then phenol, then H2O, then ROH, then HC triple bond H, then NH3, CH2 double bond CH2, that is alkane last, ethane. Okay, my dear students. Yes, based on this, some of the questions we'll see. Okay, clear? Yes. Yes, next question. Which is the more acidic? Which is more acidic? They are given options. One is water is given. Then B, ethyl alcohol C2H5OH is given. Then C, CH triple bond CH is given. Sir, which is the more acidic? We are already seen the previous order, right? So order lo manam chusam H2O is more acidic. దాని తర్వాత ఏదైనా ఆల్కహాల్ మోర్ అసిడిక్, దాని తర్వాతనే సార్ సిహెచ్ ట్రిపుల్ బాండ్ సిహెచ్ అని ఇలా ఉన్నది, రైట్. సార్ అందుకోసమని ఏ కాంపౌండ్ మనకి మోర్ అసిడిక్ అవుతుందంటే ఏ కాంపౌండ్ ఇస్ మోర్ అసిడిక్ దాన్ దట్ ఆఫ్ బి కాంపౌండ్, దాన్ దట్ ఆఫ్ సి కాంపౌండ్. కానీ ఇక్కడ ఒక ఎక్సెప్షన్ ఉంది సార్, అన్ని ఆల్కహాల్స్, ఆల్ ఆల్కహాల్స్ ఆర్ less acidic than water? No. Sir, one of the exception is the very, very, very important exception. It is very, very important exception. That is methyl alcohol, in case if you take when comparative to water. Methyl alcohol is more acidic than that of water. H2O. H2O కంటే కూడా more acidic అవుతుంది ఏది? methyl alcohol. So my dear students, in case sir, one more question look at. Sir, A, they are given CH3COOH, then B, CH3OH, then C, C2H5OH, then D, H2O, like this is given. Which is the more acidic? Of course, obviously, first carboxylic acids are more acidic. A is more acidic. కార్బాక్సిలిక్ యాసిడ్స్ తర్వాత వాటర్ ఈజ్ మోర్ అసిడిక్, రైట్. కానీ నేను ఇందాక చెప్పాను ఒక ఎక్సెప్షన్. సార్ వాటర్ కంటే కూడా మిథైల్ ఆల్కహాల్ ఈజ్ మోర్ అసిడిక్. సో దట్ బి ఈజ్ ద మోర్ అసిడిక్. దెన్ ఆఫ్టర్ విచ్ ఈజ్ ద మోర్ అసిడిక్? విచ్ ఈజ్ ద మోర్ అసిడిక్? ఆల్కహాల్స్ ఆర్ వాటర్? అఫ్ కోర్స్ వాటర్ ఈజ్ ద మోర్ అసిడిక్. వాటర్ తర్వాతనే ఆల్కహాల్స్, రిమైనింగ్ ఆల్కహాల్స్, ఒక్క మిథైల్ ఆల్కహాల్ తప్ప రిమైనింగ్ అన్ని ఆల్కహాల్స్ వాటర్ కంటే తక్కువే. సార్ మిథైల్ ఆల్కహాల్ మాత్రమే ఇలా ఉంటుంది. సో ద లాస్ట్ వన్ సి. దిస్ ఈస్ ద ఆర్డర్ ఫర్ అసిడిక్ నేచర్ ఆఫ్ పర్టికులర్ కాంపౌండ్స్. ఓకే. సో నౌ వన్ ఆఫ్ ద మోస్ట్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ క్వశ్చన్ విల్ సి, రైట్. కెన్ ఐ రఫ్? ఎస్. Which is more acidic? Which is more acidic? Which is more acidic? More acidic. They are given like this. Remember, my dear students, they are given here options. One is HCOOH is given. Then second one CH3COOH is given. Then third one benzoic acid is given. Then fourth one phenol is given. Phenol is given. Sir, which is the more acidic? Sir, ఇవన్నీ కూడా ఇక్కడ this is carboxylic acid, this is carboxylic acid, this is carboxylic. All these three are one category, carboxylic acids category. This is the phenol category. So definitely phenols are less acidic when comparative to the carboxylic acid. That you have to remember. So first carboxylic acids more acidic కాబట్టి ఈ మూడిట్లో ఆర్డర్ రాయాలి. సో ఈ మూడు ఆర్డర్ని కంపేర్ చేస్తే, సార్ హియర్ బెంజోయిక్ యాసిడ్ ఇస్ మోర్ అసిడిక్. నౌ ఓన్లీ we are seen. So C is the more acidic. Then after A, then after B. So this is the order first three. Then D is the least one because it is separate category, that is phenols. Sir, phenols is a less acidic when compared to that. Okay, clear, my dear students? In the same compound, in case in the D option, అంటే phenol తీసేసి నేను sir one more compound యాడ్ చేస్తాం. Sir, అదేంటి అంటే, so that is iodine attached to CH2COOH. Like this will be there. Sir, ఇప్పుడు which is the more acidic? ఏది more acidic అవుతుంది? Sir, ఇక్కడ minus effective group is there. Even here also minus effective group is there. Here minus effective group is there. So which is the most effective? This is the most effective, right? So that's what D is the more acidic in case when a D option, if you see. So D is the more acidic. Then after in these three you have to take. In these three, what I told, sir, benzoic acid, that is C. Then after, sir, A. Then after, then B. So this is the order in case if you take this. Okay, clear, my dear students? Yes. Next one, we'll see one more question based on this. Which is the more acidic? One is there given, benzoic acid is given, COOH. Next question it is. Then phenol is given, OH. Then NO2 group is there at para position. Then one more, benzoic acid is there. Benzoic acid is there. At para position, methyl group is there. So this is A, and this is B, and this is C. It's a very important one. This. How? So now only I told these two are same category, this is different category. So even different category, then NO2 group is there, no? NO2 group is there. So remember that whatever group is attached, whatever group attached to phenol, whatever group is attached to phenol, it is less acidic than benzoic acid. So benzoic acid contain less. So we can say that B is the least acidic. B is the least acidic. Even రెండిట్లో అబ్జర్వ్ చేయండి. ఇక్కడ ఎలక్ట్రాన్ డొనేటింగ్ గ్రూప్ ఉన్నది, ప్లస్ ఎఫెక్ట్ ఉన్నది. ప్లస్ ఎఫెక్ట్ అసిడిటీని డిక్రీజ్ చేస్తుంది, రైట్? ఎస్, డిక్రీజ్ చేస్తుంది. సో సి ఇస్ ద నెక్స్ట్ లీస్ట్. నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఏ. సరే ఏసిబి. సరే ఏసిబి. నెక్స్ట్ one more compound. One more compound is there. That is phenol only. Attached with para position, NO2 group. Phenol attached with meta position, NO2 group. Then phenol attached with meta and para, both cases will be there. Sir, compound number A, then compound number B, then compound number C, like this will be there. Sir, which is the more acidic, which is the less acidic, you have to see. ఏది మోర్ అసిడిక్ అవుతుంది, ఏది లెస్ అసిడిక్ అవుతుంది. Sir, here at para position NO2 group is there. This is minus M effect, you have to see. Next further was mesomeric effect. Sir, minus M effect more at para position. More at para position. More at para position. This you have to remember. సరే, ఇక్కడ పారా పొజిషన్ ఉంది, ఇక్కడ పారా పొజిషన్ ఉంది. పారా పొజిషన్తో పాటు అడిషనల్గా మెటా పొజిషన్ కూడా ఉంది. సో దట్స్ వాట్ సి ఈజ్ అ మోర్ అసిడిక్ దాన్ దట్ ఆఫ్ ఏ. నెక్స్ట్ సార్ బి. సార్ రిమెంబర్ మై డియర్ స్టూడెంట్స్, సార్ ఇట్ పారా ఎఫెక్ట్ అండ్ ఆర్థో ఎఫెక్ట్ మోర్ NO2 group, it affects ఆర్థో అండ్ పారా పొజిషన్స్ when comparative to meta position. ఇది మెటా పొజిషన్. Are you getting my point? So this is ortho, this is meta, then this is para position. So para position లో మైనస్ ఎఫెక్ట్ ఎక్కువగా ఉంటుంది. ఓకే, క్లియర్? ఎస్, జస్ట్ నోట్ ఇట్. Yes, look at the next questions. Sir, here F CH2COH, Cl CH2COH, Br CH2COH, I2CH Sir, at that time, my dear students, sir, number of minus I effective groups are more. Number of minus effective groups are more. Then that is more priority you have to give. Then after you have to give the distance is the priority. then after effectiveness, so which is the more effectiveness that you have to do. సో ఇందులో ఫస్ట్ అన్నిట్లో కూడా ఒక్కొక్క గ్రూప్ ఉంది. ఫస్ట్ ఏం నంబర్కి సో నంబర్ ఆఫ్ మైనస్ ఎఫెక్టివ్ గ్రూప్స్ ఎక్కువగా ఉన్నాయి. సో దెన్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు గివ్ ద నంబర్ 1 ప్రియారిటీ ఫర్ దట్. సో దిస్ ఇస్ సో డి ఈజ్ ద మోస్ట్ అసిడిక్. సార్ మరి ఈ మూడిట్లో చూసుకుంటే డిస్టెన్స్ సేమ్గా ఉంది అన్నిటికీ. నెక్స్ట్ ఎఫెక్టివ్, విచ్ ఈస్ ద మోస్ట్ ఎఫెక్టివ్, ఫ్లోరిన్ ఇస్ ద మోస్ట్ ఎఫెక్టివ్. సో ఏ, then after B, then after C you have to take. Okay, next one what will be there? Sir, in these three you have to observe. So ikkada CCl3, ikkada CI3 అంటే 3 ఉన్నాయి. సో నంబర్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు గివ్ ద ఫస్ట్ ప్రియారిటీ. అంటే ఈ రెండు సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకుని ఈ రెండిట్లో మోస్ట్ అసిడిక్ ఏంటి? సార్ క్లోరిన్ ఇస్ ద మోస్ట్ ఎఫెక్టివ్. సో దట్స్ వాట్ ఐ టోల్డ్, ఏ ఇస్ ద మోస్ట్ ఎఫెక్టివ్. దెన్ ఆఫ్టర్ సి ఇస్ ద మోస్ట్, దెన్ ఆఫ్టర్ బి. This is the order of, this is the groups. Okay, my dear students. Next, one more question. So they are given one of the point, that is CH3, then CH2, then OH. So this is A, then B, CH3, then NH2, like this will be there. Like this will be there. Sir, which is the most acidic? Which is the most acidic? There are some questions. సో మనం మోస్ట్ అసిడిక్ అనగానే ఫస్ట్ H+ అయాన్ని రిలీజ్ చేస్తూ H+ అయాన్ని తీసేసి ఒక కాంపౌండ్ రాస్తాను. ఏంటది? CH3 CH2 O- అయాన్ వచ్చింది. దెన్ ఇక్కడ CH3 NH2 NH-, లైక్ ఇలా తీసుకుంది. సరే, ఇది ప్లస్ ఎఫెక్టివ్ గ్రూపు, ఇది కూడా ప్లస్ ఎఫెక్టివ్ గ్రూప్, రెండు ప్లస్ ఎఫెక్టివ్ గ్రూప్స్. సరే, ఏది మోస్ట్ ప్లస్ ఎఫెక్టివ్? దిస్ ఈస్ ద మోస్ట్ ప్లస్ ఎఫెక్టివ్. ప్లస్ ఎఫెక్ట్ డిక్రీజెస్ ద స్టెబిలిటీ ఆఫ్ anion. సో అసిడిక్ నేచర్ ఆల్సో డిక్రీజెస్ ఫర్ దిస్. సో వీ కెన్ ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ B is the more acidic than that of A. B is the more acidic than that of A. ఎక్స్పెక్ట్. కానీ సరే ఇలా జరగదు. సరే ఎలా జరుగుతుంది? సరే, వెన్ charge is present on the different electronegative atoms, when negative charge present on different electronegative atoms, negative charge contain more electronegative atom is more stable. So fluorine, oxygen and nitrogen, which is the most electronegative? Sir, oxygen having negative charge, so that is more stable. So remember, negative charge on more electronegative atom is more stable. So A is the more acidic than that of B. This is very, very, very important. You have to remember, my dear students. So based on this, one more question we can say, that is so that is in case if they will give CH triple bond CH, then CH2 double bond CH2, CH3 triple bond CH3 bond CH3. Sir, which is the more acidic? They are asking question. ఏది మోర్ అసిడిక్ అవుతుంది? సార్, మోర్ అసిడిక్ అన్నప్పుడు మనం H+ అయాన్స్ ని తీసేసి మనం రాస్తే ఇది ఏమొస్తుంది? CH ట్రిపుల్ బాండ్ C మైనస్, దెన్ CH2 డబుల్ బాండ్ CH మైనస్, దెన్ CH3 బాండ్ CH2 మైనస్, రైట్? ఈ కార్బన్ ఆటమ్ sp హైబ్రిడైజ్డ్, ఈ కార్బన్ ఆటమ్ sp2 హైబ్రిడైజ్డ్, ఈ కార్బన్ ఆటమ్ sp3 హైబ్రిడైజ్డ్, రైట్? We know that sp hybridized carbon atom. sp hybridized carbon atom is more electronegative. Electronegativity is greater than sp2 hybridized carbon atom of electronegativity, than sp3 hybridized carbon atom of electronegativity. So electronegativity for sp is greater than sp2 than sp3. You have to remember that. It's very important. So I told more negative charge is present in more electronegative atom side, that is more stable. So this is more stable. This is more stable. Then after this, then after this. So acidic nature emoutundi A is greater than that of B, than that of C. That is minus. Sir, in case, so దీంతో పాటుగా in case benzene ఇచ్చాడు, benzene is given and the D option in the form of D option benzene is given. అప్పుడు H ప్లస్ తీసి రాసేస్తే సో దెన్ హెచ్ వెళ్ళిపోయిన తర్వాత మనకి ఇక్కడ ఒక అసిడిక్ నెగిటివ్ ఫామ్. ఇది కూడా sp2 hybridized, even this is also sp2 hybridized. Now how to write the order of that stability? How to write? So remember, my dear students, for this negative ion, here again alkene is a minus effective group. So minus effective group increases stability. Increases stability. అంటే first sp as usual, no doubt at all, A is the greater. Then in case both are sp2, at that time you have to see, sir, D is the second option. Why D is the second option? Because, sir, beside of that negative charge, minus effective group also is there. Minus effective group increases the stability of anion. When stability of anion increases, acidic nature also increases. Then next what will be there? The remaining B. Then after C you have to take. This is the order. Okay, clear? So next one more hydrides of various elements. Hydrides of various elements if you see. So for example, CH4, then NH3, then H2O, then HF. This is A, this is B, then this is C, then this is D. Sir, which is the more acidic? Which is the more acidic? Sir, మళ్ళీ హైడ్రోజన్ ఆటమ్ తీసి నోట్ చేసినాం అనుకోండి, CH3 minus, NH2 minus, OH minus, F minus, like this will be present. Like this will be present. Sir, again you can say that which is the more acidic, which is the less acidic. Negative charge on more electronegative atom side, more electronegative atom, then more acidic, more stable, more acidic, more acidic. Clear, my dear students? So, sir, what is the order for this? D is the most acidic, then after C, then after B, then after A. So this is the order of acidity of following compounds. So and also have some applications based on inductive effect. We'll see what are the applications of inductive effect. Two more applications are there based on electrophilic substitution reactions and nucleophilic substitution reactions. In case if you take plus A effective groups, plus I effective group, first application. Sir, applications, then first application, plus effective groups increases, remember, electrophilic substitution reactions. Electrophilic substitution reaction ni plus I effective groups increase చేస్తాయి. Next, plus I effective groups decreases nucleophilic substitution reactions. Nucleophilic substitution reaction ni decrease చేస్తాయి. అదే ప్లస్ ఎఫెక్టివ్ గ్రూప్స్. నెక్స్ట్ థర్డ్ వన్ minus effective groups. Minus effective groups increases nucleophilic substitution reactions. అదే minus effective groups decreases electrophilic substitution reactions. Electrophilic substitution reactions. Very, 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 very important, my dear students. All these applications are very important. Based on this application, two more questions we'll see. Which of the following is more reactive towards which of the following is more reactive towards electrophilic substitution reactions. Electrophilic substitution ESR అంటే electrophilic substitution reactions. ఆప్షన్స్ ఇచ్చాడు. సో ఒకటేమో బెంజీన్ అటాచ్డ్ విత్ CH3. సర్ ఆప్షన్ బి బెంజీన్. ఆప్షన్ సి benzene attached with NO2 group. Then option D, benzene attached with CHO group, aldehyde group is there. CHO group. Look at, my dear students, all this. ఈ 4 కాంపౌండ్స్ లో ఏది ఎలక్ట్రోఫిలిక్ సబ్స్టిట్యూషన్ రియాక్షన్ ఫాస్ట్ గా ఫామ్ అవుతుంది? Sir, I told that electrophilic substitution reactions are increases by plus effective groups. Sir, ఈ 4 ఇట్లో ప్లస్ effective group ఉన్నది ఎక్కడ? A. So A is the answer for this. Then order రాయాలంటే, so A is the more, no doubt at all, electrophilic substitution reactions fast, because this is plus effective group, then this is minus effective group, this is minus effective group. So minus effective group electrophilic substitution reactions ని డిక్రీజ్ చేస్తాయి. మైనస్ ఎఫెక్టివ్ గ్రూప్స్ ఎలక్ట్రోఫిలిక్ సబ్స్టిట్యూషన్ రియాక్షన్ డిక్రీజ్ చేస్తాయి. ఓకే, సో ఇవి రెండు తర్వాత వస్తాయి. దెన్ నెక్స్ట్ ఏం వస్తుంది? బి వస్తుంది. సో మరి ఈ రెండిట్లో ఏది మైనస్ ఎఫెక్టివ్ గ్రూప్ ఎక్కువగా ఉంటుందో అది ఎలక్ట్రోఫిలిక్ సబ్స్టిట్యూషన్ రియాక్షన్ తక్కువ వస్తుంది, డిక్రీజ్ చేస్తుంది. సో దట్ డి ఈస్ ద ఆర్డర్. దెన్ నెక్స్ట్ ఆఫ్టర్ what is the C? So this is the order of that particular question. Okay, then one more question we'll see. So note the applications and the particular question. Look at this question, my dear students. Which of the following compounds undergo nucleophilic substitution reactions most easily? Question again. So nucleophilic substitution reaction easy అవ్వాలంటే మైనస్ ఎఫెక్టివ్ గ్రూప్ ఉండాలి. సరే, ఇవన్నీ కూడా క్లోరోబెంజీన్లో మైనస్ ఎఫెక్టివ్ గ్రూప్ ఎక్కడ ఉంది? సరే, ఇవన్నీ క్లోరోబెంజీన్లో ఏ క్లోరోబెంజీన్ మోస్ట్ ఈజీలీ న్యూక్లియోఫిలిక్ సబ్స్టిట్యూషన్ రియాక్షన్ జరుగుతూ ఉంది. సో మైనస్ ఎఫెక్టివ్ గ్రూప్ ఇక్కడ ఉంది, మైనస్ ఎఫెక్టివ్ గ్రూప్. ఇది ప్లస్ ఎఫెక్టివ్ గ్రూప్ అవుతుంది. దెన్ ఇది మైనస్ ఎఫెక్టివ్ గ్రూపే, దెన్ లెస్ మైనస్ ఎఫెక్టివ్ గ్రూప్, less minus effective in comparative to NO2. So OR we call OR OH like this. So sir, the A compound, ఇది B compound, ఇది C compound, ఇది D compound అనుకుంటే C is the answer actually. C. Sir, ఆర్డర్ చూస్తే sir, which is the most next nucleophilic substitution reaction ఏది జరుగుతూ ఉంది ఎక్కువ? సో మైనస్ ఎఫెక్టివ్ గ్రూప్ ఉండాలి. మైనస్ ఎఫెక్టివ్ గ్రూప్ లేకపోతే రెండు ప్లస్ ఎఫెక్టివ్ ఉన్నాయి. సరే, ఏదైతే ప్లస్ ఎఫెక్టివ్ గ్రూప్ ఉందో ప్లస్ ఎఫెక్టివ్ గ్రూప్ ఎలక్ట్రోఫిలిక్ సబ్స్టిట్యూషన్ రియాక్షన్ ని ఇంక్రీజ్ చేస్తుంది, న్యూక్లియోఫిలిక్ సబ్స్టిట్యూషన్ రియాక్షన్ ని డిక్రీజ్ చేస్తుంది. సో మోస్ట్ ఎఫెక్టివ్ ప్లస్ ఎఫెక్టివ్ గ్రూప్, విచ్ ఈస్ మోస్ట్ ప్లస్ ఎఫెక్టివ్? సో నెక్స్ట్ దిస్ వన్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు టేక్, ఇట్ ఇస్ ద మైనస్ ఎఫెక్టివ్ A. దెన్ This is decreases the nucleophilic substitution reactions. So next B, the next D. So this is the order for this. Thank you, my dear students. So this is about inductive effect completely. So whatever the applications and acidic nature and stability of the all the compounds we have discussed in it. Please support me and subscribe my channel.